Hi, this is Rick for EDU Mobile Academy, and I'm excited to talk to you today about a new course, Introduction to JavaScript. JavaScript is a language widely used in web development to enhance client-side interactions between the user and the browser. But JavaScript is much more than that. It's also beginning to see use in other applications, from server-side coding to scripting for any device that has a JavaScript runtime. There's also an ever-growing collection of web development frameworks built in JavaScript, Node.js, Angular, React, to name just a few. Of course, to develop code in these frameworks requires a knowledge of JavaScript, and that's where this course comes in. We'll start with a working knowledge of data types and variables, and then learn about the rest of the basic syntax. Along the way, we'll learn how to work with the document object model, the DOM. This is the specification for the web document that allows JavaScript to interact with page elements. We'll finish up with a discussion of array and object types. This course is really the first part of a two-part series. In the next course, we'll learn about object-oriented JavaScript, which will prepare you to work with the most popular online frameworks. So I hope you'll join me for this introduction to JavaScript. Thank you very much.